Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sign up for TikTok. TikTok, formerly known as Musical.ly, is a Chinese app that was launched in 2017 by developer ByteDance for markets outside China. In 3 years, it has gained over 500 million users worldwide. Today, it has become extremely popular, especially in the Asia and the United States, and its community is growing day by day. To sign up for TikTok, make sure you've downloaded the app from the Play Store or your App Store. After you got the app, tap it open, and as soon as you do that, you'll see this kind of a interface on your display. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen that says Me. Now, to sign up, tap on Sign Up. To create a new account, tap on Don't have an account, sign up. There are 4 options you can choose in order to sign up for TikTok. You can either use your phone number or your email address. You can continue signing up with Facebook, continue with Google, and continue with Twitter. Choose any of the options displayed. Since I've chosen continue with Google, I'll need to choose my account from which I want to sign up to. Now next, enter your date of birth. Tap on the next button after that. Create a username for your account. If the username is available, then you can see the green tick mark on the right side of the screen. After that, tap on Sign Up. And that is how you can sign up to a new TikTok account using your social networking sites or your email address, and even entering your phone number. As you can see that I've opened a new account on TikTok. To create your very first video, tap on the plus icon. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box. I'll be back again with more videos soon. Thank you for watching.